Spice up your feed by creating interactive quotes on your social media platform. I'm sharing 3 websites at the end of this video to help you with animated stickers that you could download. From your Canva homepage, search for quote. For this video, we're going to pick any template and make it come alive. After opening up your quote, you're going to go to elements and you're going to add a star or whatever you want to add as an animated effect on your quote that you're creating. So we're going to search, let's search for star first of all, and it's added to our template. Then all you do is you're going to select it like we just did and click on animate and select create animation and then drag the star so that it rises above and moves. And if we're happy, we go done. You do exactly the same with moon. You go moon. Next, you're going to go to your elements and you're going to find an animation, or you're going to find a graphic that would suit the quotation and make it come alive. So for me, this looked like a butterfly kind of animation I need to find. Then you would select butterfly and you're going to go to your notes or your settings and we're going to search for animated. And there are butterflies which are animated. And you pick any one that you like. The blue one looked and it felt exactly like it goes with my quotation. You click on it once and it's already butterflying, and you go exactly the same way. You go animate and you animate the butterfly. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this one. There are 3 websites that you can go check out if you're tired of Canva's animated sneakers. You can look at humans, and you can look at freepeak.com, and you can look at turner.com. Thank you so much for always joining me and liking my videos and liking my work. I will see you on the next video.